Hello, welcome to my channel, and on today's video we are going to talk about the Z Flip 7. There's a lot of news reaching us about this new phone that Samsung is going to be releasing later this year. So according to reports and from our review of last year, a lot of people complain that the phone is thicker, it's very hot, it has a lot of, now it's heavy, but I think Samsung looked at it and they have reduced some of this complaint according to reports we are getting. Okay, for the first report is that Samsung is going to increase the size of Z Fold 7 by approximately 12%, aiming for a more streaming and portable design. And we also heard that Samsung is going to make it look more slimmer. So we are going to reduce it by 12%. That means it's going to be more slimmer. But there is a consequence to this. This will make the phone not to have S Pen. So according to reports, they said Z Fold 7 is not going to come with an S Pen because it's going to be very slimmer. So if you want an S Pen, you need to buy it and hold it externally. Though there will be some companies that is going to release a casing that will allow you to be fitting in your S Pen. Then the second thing we hear is about the display. They said the display is to be expanded to 8 inches, while the external screen may increase to 6 inches, enhancing productivity and entertainment experience. So when you get it, you are going to enjoy it. And what we also heard is about the performance. Of course, we know that any phone produced now is going to come with Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which we are not surprised that Samsung is going to also be including that in this Z Fold 7. Then another report that we're hearing is about the timeline when Apple is going to be launching it. We heard that it's going to be coming between July and August of 2025. So it's going to be a big one. Then we talk about the camera. Now there will be an improved camera and it's going to have that 3-rear camera at the back. And the main camera is going to come with 50 megapixel, while the wide and ultra wide is going to come with 12 megapixel sensor. Then there will be an improved under display camera setting, which Samsung used in Z Fold 6, that it makes the selfie camera not to look so bright, but according to reports that we are getting, they said it's going to be improved. And these are all the things that we have for you on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and see, do you want to stick with your Z Fold 6 or you want to improve it, you want to upgrade to Z Fold 7? Personally, I will upgrade to Z Fold 7 when Apple release it come July or August of 2025. See you in my next video. Peace out.